Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up mga kaibigan? Ako nga pala si Cripply at tayo muli nagbabalik sa tayo ng basehan ng bawat break it down mapagka ganito. Hindi ko alam pero wala, putang ina medyo nasasawa na ako manood ng mga battles eh. So focus muna tayo sa mga ganto, at least kakaiba eh, no. Gusto ko nga pala shoutout muna yung Crown Manila. Maraming salamat Pops Nico Manning, Unhinged Clothing. Shoutout nga pala sa linya-linya sa suot ko. Eto ang gusto ko. Merch yan ng linya-linya. PM nyo lang sila. Ay na tumayo pa ako eh, no. Shoutout nga din pala sa Black Manila. Shoutout sa Distinctive Clothing. Ito Crown Manila nasabi ko na pero may nalampasan tayong konti. Unhinged nasabi ko na rin. Linya-linya, nasabi ko na yan. Puking ina hype beat, Papa Benji, maraming salamat lagi. At egocentric, puking ina ulit ng may-ari niyan. At Black Manila. Oh, fuck. Shoutout din nga wala kay paring Levy. Rooftop Cafe sa may QC. Check nyo yan. At check nyo rin tong Alpha Guard kung gusto nyo ng mga Lions. Anyways, pwede nyo rin pala akong i-PM dito sa merch namin. Putay na 5 na lang natitira niyan. Nakakatamad na ibenta kasi kulang-kulang na rin yung size. At pero nagpaplano kami mag-restock. Hopefully baka siguro mga May 10. Di ko alam mo interesado kayo pero yun, game tayo pare. Gagawa natin ng reaction video yung laban ni Inoue sa ni Cardenas pare. Putang ina. Ayos, 'di ba? So, wag na natin patagalin to para hindi ko alam may copyright kaya to. Yung ganito nanonood ka ng boxing. Ewan. So matitignan na lang siguro yan natin pag binawalan na ni YouTube. So, yun, wala na tayong intro yun putang ina, humahaba na talaga intro natin mga kaibigan. Pasensya na kayo pero game na tayo kagad.
Two men,
Puta.
one ring, a legacy
Tang ina, robot ba to?
on the line.
Tang ina, mali yata. Putang ina, mukhang kwentuhan
The
lang to.
beautiful city of San Antonio, Texas, by way of his heritage
Ay,
of
mukhang hindi.
Monterrey, Nuevo Leon.
Mukhang hindi.
Luis Cardenas, the challenger they doubted. But tonight, he brings more than just heart.
And one defeat. He has 14 wins coming by way of knockout. Tonight he is making his first attempt at a world title. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the battle-ready challenger and world
Tang ina, ang pangit ng boses ng announcer eh, no? Puking ina nga.
rank contender, introducing Ramon Dinamita Cardenas.
Mexicano si Cardenas eh, no? Dinamita din yung pangalan niya. Parang may dinamita na dati. Sino ba yun? Nakalimutan ko pero ang alam ko may dinamita na dati. Tapos na mga nakakalaban ni Pacquiao ng panahon. Pero sige lang, hayaan na natin siya.
And his opponent across the ring, the defending world champion, really needing no introduction the world over. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing white trunks with gray trim. Hailing
Now
Putang ina.
Inoue, the monster from Japan. Precision, power, perfection.
Putang ina, no? Meron na palang ano eh, no? Parang may narrator. May narrator kaya tong buong laban na to?
9 pounds. He is undefeated in his campaign, 29 wins, no losses. 26 wins coming by way of knockout. Here is boxing superstar and pound-for-pound great, the acclaimed 4-division world champion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the undefeated, reigning and defending, undisputed junior featherweight champion of the world, introducing...
Meron ako napapanood ng mga laban ni Inoue pero puro Japan. Pero mukhang etong laban na to, mukhang hindi to Japan eh, no? Sa mga legit na malulupit na nanonood dyan ng mga ganito, pa-comment nga ako mga kaibigan kung hindi ba to Japan.
Naoya, the monster Inoue!
Inoue!
Once again, the referee in charge is Thomas Taylor, now to give instruction.
Thomas Taylor, his 34th world title fight.
Come on this side. Come on this side. All right, let coach know over here. Everything from the gray letters up is going to be good. Everything from the white letters up here is going to be good, all right? Gentlemen, you got my instructions in the back. Protect yourselves at all times. Listen to my commands. Touch them up. Back to your corner, gentlemen.
This isn't just a title fight. It's instinct versus intellect, fire versus fire.
Fire versus Putang ina naman na itong narrator na to. O nagsasalita sa ano.
I feel like he belongs in the ring with
Exactly.
Inoue. That's the first thing. And he has to feel that he believes that he can win.
Ang baba ng quality no? Teka nga, baka meron pa tayong gagi. Ano yung pinakasagad? Puking inang yan. Di bali na.
What does that
One mistake can change everything, and in round 2 it does.
Putang
Buckle
ina mo.
in, because from this point on, it's survival, not just boxing.
He got to land some offense.
So ano ba gagawin ko dito kung panay salita tong gumawa nito? Puking inang yan.
Against Inoue. He has to feel that, hey, I have the boxing skills to be able to compete with them. It's going to all be done by success test. How much success he has in these first few rounds.
Inoue measuring with the jab, tripling it out, goes on
Puking
the
ina
attack
ka.
with a 3-punch combination.
So sinuntok niya ng 3 beses at nasalag naman ni Dinamita mga kaibigan.
Yeah, a nice high tie guard from Cardenas.
By the way, the jab
Cardenas.
for Inoue, Timmy, 7.6 per round. That's number 3 among all elite championship level fighters.
Tayo mo,
He
sipain mo.
understands the street science one, and he understands the game that, hey, if I get my jab working, everything else is going to fall in line. The power shots he's able to set up off that jab. That's just boxing 101, Tess. Beautiful 1-2 right there. Nice jab. Splitting the guard of Inoue. Good timing right now from Cardenas. That's what he's
throwing
going
out a jab of his own.
to have to depend on timing. Nice.
Works to the inside against Inoue. Didn't throw the right hand behind it.
No, but the jab
Fade away
right now
punch.
is finding his way home.
Puking ina, nakita nyo ba yung mga kaibigan? Sapol na sapol si Inoue. Ibabak natin ng konti. Mukhang maganda yun eh.
Against Inoue. Didn't throw the right hand behind it.
No, but the jab right
Oh, putang ina, nakita nyo ba yun? Tanggal yung tutuli mga kaibigan. Tanggal yung tutuli.
now is finding his way home. Good timing again from
And
Cardenas.
gentlemen, we welcome you
Inoue
to
to
the
the
main
punch.
event.
A lot quicker than Inoue probably thought or imagined thus far from Cardenas with that jab.
Of course, when it comes to speed generating power, there are few like Naoya Inoue. Some jab steady work in this first round with it from the monster.
Good counter attempt right there from Cardenas.
It's blocked by the right hand of Inoue.
Yes, it was. However, I still like the
Yeah,
approach.
hey, listen, throw it.
Tagal naman po. Ay, butang ina, nakita nyo ba yun? Nakita nyo ba yung left hook nito ni Dinamita Cardenas? Putang ina, kung tinamaan si Inoue nun, talagang ospital pare.
He's looking for that counter. He's looking for Inoue. He's trying to time him on his way in. He's looking to throw a left hook over the top of the right hand of Inoue.
Inoue very consistent here in this final minute with that lead hand, popping that jab time and again.
Tayo, lakas ng mga job nila eh, no?
First world title challenge in the career of San Antonio's Ramon Cardenas. Here, his corner saying, watch that distance. We come to the end of round number 1. The monster is back in the States. The undisputed junior featherweight world championship fight. We're going to take a short break and be back live in Vegas.
Gagi, napaka-solid na round 1 pero tingin ko lamang doon si ano. Tingin ko lamang si Inoue doon kasi si Inoue lang kilala ko eh. Tong Cardenas, putang ina, di ko naman to kilala eh. Parang out of nowhere lang, nag-iisip lang akong ano eh, ng papanoorin. So, ito lang talaga pumasok sa isip ko. So, tingin ko yung round 1 kay Inoue yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, putang ina, ang pinakamali doon ni Cardenas, hindi tumama yung left hook niya. Kasi kung tumama yun, putang ina, tapos na eh. Kaso, hindi tumama. So, yun, panoorin natin yung round 2 na ito mga puking na ito.
PM,
O,
Monday.
diba? Sobrang lupit nilang mga fighter. Di na nila kailangan ng pahinga. So, pakatapos, rekta agad. Mangas.
Afternoon in Tokyo, where the country sits back and watches this action in prime time here in Vegas, where Naoya Inoue, the undisputed champion, threw 30 jabs in that first round. Here's the right hand.
Yeah, that's a vertical
Boom, puking ina mo. Retoke ilong ka, kaibigan.
jab with the thumb face up towards the
Tangina sa pool.
ceiling, coming from behind, blinding him with that jab and coming right with that right hand. Gonna see more of that moving forward. However, Inoue right now, again, the problem right now that Carnett is making is he's standing right in front of Inoue. You know, he got to make Inoue pick up his feet a little bit. Like
Trying
that.
to get some work on the inside as Inoue covers up defensively.
Exactly. But if
He's going to cover up, you got to let the hands go, and he at least did.
Exactly. So that's two things, Tess, you got to think about before you get in mid-range, or your opposition actually getting in mid-range before you. Either you're going to punch, or you better have something in your back pocket, meaning defense to offense. And right now, Carnett is just sitting right there in front, not doing much on the offensive side, and that is a recipe for disaster.
Takina mo kung napakasolid din sumapak nito ni Cardenas eh, no? Puking inang yan, mukhang pag tinamaan ka din, hilo-hilo ka din.
Goes to the body with the right hand, backs it up with the left hand, does Cardenas.
Puking ina, sa si Inoue doon. Tanggal yung muta.
Jab from Cardenas. Inoue comes back, tried to sweep that right hand to the body, and he goes to a combination that finishes
Grabe yung tunog eh, no?
with the left hand upstairs.
Fuck!
Carnett has the high, he's a high guard. He's staying tight with his guard as well. See a little blood right there coming from the nose of Inoue. Not sure where that blood's coming from.
Fuck, puking ina, gagi. Tabingi yung panga.
Just off the mark with that right hand, Cardenas.
Inoue just turned away from that full right hand from Cardenas. The upset-seeking American.
On top of the head.
See, Cardenas now, he's making Inoue try to pick up his feet. He's starting to bring that pressure. Starting to bring that pressure towards Inoue.
We talked about how do you gain confidence. This is how you gain confidence.
Absolutely. But here comes Inoue. Inoue likes this type of fight, Tess.
He does.
He don't like
with the right hand. A little bit of blood coming from the nose. You're right, Timmy.
He don't like to be pushed back. Not at all, but Cardenas,
Gagi, dumudugo na yata yung ilong ni
I think he
Inoue.
found a little secret. Inoue's great at mid-range, great on the outside as well, but inside.
Inoue looks calm, but it's Cardenas who strikes first. The crowd stunned as the legend goes down.
Puking ina mo.
That knockdown wasn't luck. It was a perfectly timed left hook right after the exchange. A calculated risk that paid off.
Tang ina pare, hilo. Yung right brain lumipat sa left brain.
With crowd stunned, he looks calm.
Tangina kasi netong nagsasalita, nakaka-bad trip. Tangina, imbis na Ben.
But it's Cardenas who strikes first. The crowd stunned as the legend goes down.
Puking ina mo pare, limot mo apelyido mo, di ba?
That knockdown wasn't luck. It was a perfectly timed left hook right after the exchange. A calculated risk that paid off.
Parang ano no, yung ginawa niya parang yung Kitangki Garcia. Ano nyo ba? Parang yun, parang masyadong aggressive na siya no. Tapos parang kinounter left hook. Kagi tawag doon ano fade away shot. Ay, gago, save by Gina pare yung announcer.
Against Donaire.
Paano lalamang si Inoue niyan? Walang break time. Puking inang yan. Wala talaga, yari talaga. Tingnan mo, kakatapos lang, suntukan kagad.
Just cut over the right eye. How does he react?
Ay, gagi. Pito na.
Yep.
A knockdown scored in round 2 by Cardenas.
Yep,
The San Antonio-based upset-seeking Ramon Cardenas.
Tingnan mo.
Stay right here. Stay. All right, we got an accident on headbutt, no cut. Come here, guys. Stop. Watch those heads, all right?
Tangina headbutt ba yun?
Yep,
The San Antonio-based upset-seeking by Cardenas.
Yep,
The San Antonio-based upset-seeking Ramon Cardenas.
Stay right here. Stay. All right, we got an accident on headbutt, no.
Na-headbutt ba yun? Mukhang hindi naman eh. Marunong ba tong referee? mukhang hindi.
Cut. Come here. Guys. Stop. Watch those heads, all right? Go.
No cut on the accidental flash. It's a sweeping right hand from the Monster.
The Monster needs to be defensively responsible after he punches. Cardenas right now, what he's doing, he's waiting on a mistake. He's waiting on Inoue to get greedy. And he knows that opposite hand, that catch and shoot is available for him.
Inoue is adjusting. He's no longer standing in front after throwing. That's elite awareness under pressure. Cardenas is still pressing forward, but Inoue is now landing.
Putang ina, nakita nyo ba yung lepok na yun? Nakaka-distract kasi itong nagsasalita. Putang ina na itong nagsasalitan to eh. Pansinin nyo yung lepok ni
Under
Cardenas,
pressure,
pare.
Cardenas is still pressing forward, but Inoue
Bang, puking ina. Kung tinama ang kanon, putang inang yan, wala.
is now landing clean without staying in the pocket. The rhythm is shifting. Every left hook from Cardenas is now missing. Inoue has read the playbook and started writing his own.
And
Okay, so sabi nung puking ng inang nagsasalita, parang ano yan? Ano ba tawag dyan? Naaral na daw ni Inoue, pare. So, yun yung ano, naaral na ni Inoue na panay lepok to si Cardenas. Kamukha ni Cardenas si ano si Arnwar ba yun? Yung sa Facebook. Hindi ko alam, ay gagi, ba't nasa baba to? Puking ina naman. Teka lang mga kaibigan. Angat-angat lang natin ng konti ito. Pero yun, tangina, napaka-solid. Game tayo ulit.
this comes forward, inching ahead. Down scored in round 2 by Cardenas.
Cardenas staying real tight behind that defense as well. Inoue's having a hard time really penetrating that high guard. He really is. It's tight.
3-punch combination. Tried to split the guard with the right hand. Came back with the left to finish.
Putang ina.
Right hand to the body. Caught a little bit of the flank. And
Tangina, panay video to mga nandito sa ano, mga social media, yung mga content creator yan. Tingin ko lang.
a little bit of the elbow.
Yep, anytime. And then another thing that Cardenas is doing is anytime he
Uy,
sees...
gago ka. Tangina, kung tinamaan ka nun, Inoue, magpapalit ka ng sport, ano ka siguro, table tennis, kung tinamaan ka nun. Ay na, maswerte ka pa, pare.
I'm telling you, I told you he knows how to punch in between. But anytime he sees Inoue going...
Puking ina, nakita nyo ba yun? Hindi ko nakita yun. Teka lang. Gagi, kita nyo ba yun?
Yep, anytime. And then another thing that Cardenas is doing is anytime he sees... I'm telling you, I told you he knows how to punch in between. But anytime he sees Inoue going...
Kita nyo ba yun? Yun ang tinatawag na left hook from... Di ko alam. sorry. Pero gagi, malakas yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, matras si Inoue, di ba?
The high guard. It's a problem.
A little bit with the left hand again.
That's another
puking ina mo. Gago ka. Tangina, nakakahilo siguro yun. Tanginang, ingay naman. Inaan natin ng konti, mga kaibigan.
Right hand from the
Boom! Putang ina mo.
comes forward on the attack.
Boom! Puking ina ka.
He is sitting on that left hand with that hook all night long. He has come to make magic and try to shock the world as Inoue rolling down to the inside.
Oh, my... man,
We're going to take a short break. When we come back, we'll show you the knockdown again. What do we have here in Vegas tonight?
Mangas. Classic. Ikaw, puking ina mo. Ayusin mo. Huwag kong tatanga-tanga. Pupunasan ko si po mo.
Okay, it's just a little swelling.
Nirenervyos na si Inoue. Nakikita nyo ba sa mga mata niya na putang ina, mukhang mali yata nakalaban natin. At siguro pinili muna natin mahina.
Hey, you can break them down if you just put pressure on them.
Tama si coach mo. Makinig ka sa coach mo, pare.
And walk them down. But when you're inside, go to the body and then uppercuts. Body and uppercuts. I need you to start touching the body a little more.
Inuwi, putang ina, body na uppercut daw.
しっかり気をつけな。左にボディ、左にボディ。向こうガーッとこうカバーするから、左にやって、上振ってて下。
Why siya?
鼻で振れよ。で向こう振って強いの振ってくるから、それだけ気をつけな。
Kaya naangas na lingwahe nila yun, mukhang lap trip.
We welcome you to the main event of the evening. Y a todos nuestros
Let's go
amigos.
back to Tim Bradley's lab that he showed all of us pre-fight. This is what Timmy was explaining, the flaw defensively with Naoya Inoue, and it showed up in the second round. Tim, you explained this pre-match.
You see any resemblance right there?
Putang ina, vibrate yung mukha eh, no?
Exact shot right there. Left hook on the inside.
The undisputed champion was floored in the second round. The upset-seeking Ramon Cardenas, who at the beginning of this fight, Inoue was a minus 6,500 favorite. Minus 6,500. The current odds on ESPN bet, he's minus 400. Bernardo.
I just spoke with Joel Diaz, and he says, look, I asked Ramon to pressure more and dig to the body, and he told me, Coach, he doesn't crack. And I said, yes, he does crack. Just stay confident, but don't make mistakes.
He said he doesn't crack, and that's the first indication right there. Again, he's mentally in this fight.
Putang ina pare, right hook. Hook ba yun o straight? Ang ina, baka magmukha akong tanga dito. Oh, fuck. Teka lang.
First indication right there. Again, he's mentally...
Straight pala. Pasensya na kayo. Straight pala yun. In-straight niya pala si Inoue, pare.
In this fight, Tess. That's what I'm talking about. He mentally believes that he can take Inoue's shot. So he's here to endure whatever it takes to be able to get off his offense, Tess. I'm telling you, he's looking for that counter, Tess. That last round, he was just a little bit off the mark. If Inoue slows down a bit and get lax on his defense, it's going to be night-night, Tess.
Timmy, before this fight, I turned to you and said, just answer this question. Real simple. We got a minus 6,500 favorite in a pound-for-pound elite. Does Cardenas have a puncher's chance? You didn't even hesitate. You said yes and a little more.
He has, again, IQ. He's a well-rounded fighter, but he has dynamite in both hands. He has good timing. I saw that on film. Great timing.
Midway through the fight, it's clear this isn't just a comeback. It's a masterclass in adaptation.
In a way, he just keeps bubbling up with confidence. To throw punches like that. In a way, though, timing it. Now in a way, on the attack with a combination. It's like that. In a way, though, timing it. Now in a way, on the attack.
Lagi, no? Nakaka-insulto yun. Pagkatapos kang suntok-suntokin, tatawanan ka pa.
With a combination.
Tangina, kung ako yun, sinuntok ako tapos tatawanan, tangina, bablatter ko yan.
Anyway, trying to, again, penetrate that defense.
Doubles up the left hand, upstairs, and then downstairs to the body.
It's beautiful work by Inoue, no doubt about it, but he got to be responsible defensively. Has to
To the
be.
main event of the evening.
Oh, he caught him.
Ba't parang may umulit?
Wide sweeping, and he made him pay. And now he goes to the body, then goes upstairs, back to the body, and Cardenas fires with return.
Putang ina, tabingi pa nga mo.
From Inoue. And now the accuracy is showing up. And the desire to have fights like this.
Putang ina, galit na si Inoue.
Oh, he's turning it on.
Putang ina ka.
And the monster is showing what he's about.
Kagi, tinatawa-tawanan pa yun. Bam, bam.
You'll be able to see the corners while we take this commercial break. It's a great fight.
Gagi, umapir pa. Tangina, grabe yung sportsmanship na itong dalawan to. Pero gagi, lamang na lamang si Inoue dun sa tingin ko. Kasi wala lang. Tingin ko mas madaming pumapasok sa kanyang punchline. So, yun, naka-defensive position si Dinamita Cardenas. Game na natin to agad. Gagi, maangas.
Fight. There were moments where I didn't think I'd be tossing it over to Mark Kriegel to even get a scorecard at the end of 4. Mark, how do you have it?
38-37, Ramon Cardenas. One thing that Inoue told me this week was what he learned from the Neri knockdown. No doubt Cardenas believes in himself, but that knockdown taught Inoue something.
Knockdown tonight happens in the second round.
Inoue now is totally aware of what Cardenas is using. He understands that he's punching right after he's punching and punching with him with the left hook. So what he's doing is now he's just pulling.
Ay, nang liksi ni Inoue, no?
He's like, okay, I'm going to get my offense off, but I know you're going to shoot right afterwards, so I'm going to pull my body back out of range, and then I'm going to come back with some offense. That's what you're seeing in a minor adjustment from Inoue.
Earlier tonight, just
Ay,
the
baka
second
mapagod ka
time in
niyan.
the career of Inoue that he has been knocked down. We saw the odds swing way in the favor the other way as Cardenas was showing his stuff. Remember, Inoue, minus 6,500 favorite at the start of the night. But after that last round, when he came back up to minus 1,400. That shows you the entertainment value you're getting here with this.
Inoue now stalks. The distance is gone. He's not just reacting, he's hunting. A right hand lands flush on the chin. Cardenas hits the canvas. This is turning.
Putang ina, spoiler naman tong gagong to. Sinabi mo nang natumba, edi malalaman ko na. Putang ina naman itong narrator na to eh. Bad trip. Teka nga. Teka lang, may nag-chat lang. Sagulit lang mga kaibigan.
He rises, but the pace is catching up.
Grabe ka. Ano, putang ina, in-spoil na tayo ng tarantado.
Again, Inoue walking that tight line right there. Beautiful slip counter right there from Cardenas. Counter right in, overhand right now. Inoue again, he loves that rope. I'm telling you, that tight line. He gets close to the fire. He's trying not to get burned, but gosh, I'm telling you, Cardenas is right off the mark. I mean, man, a few more inches with that shot.
Gagi, no, gagi sa pool. Saktong-sakto sa post pa. Putang ina, tingnan mo. Putang ina, mukha mga pang ano to Mukha pang Ipo Makunochi.
He gonna be able to land. I'm telling you.
Cardenas is digging in. And when he fires, he brings it.
But what he needs to do is he needs to take the level down. Go to the shoulder or step in. One little half a step forward when he throws that left hook, and he will catch Inoue.
It was the left hook that did the damage in the second round. Cardenas has landed 23 power punches to this point. There's a combination with a right hand split in the guard and then a left hand going to the body from the monster. Inoue has an 82 to 47 connected advantage to this point.
Gagi, balagbag na siya, ano?
Cardenas fires back to the body. He's got such heart in there.
Ano, parang di napapagod si Inoue, no? Parang hindi sila napapagod. Itong isa, binabalagbag na.
Said that he wants to make fights that people enjoy. Well, everybody is wildly entertained with what we are seeing tonight, and give credit to Ramon Cardenas for delivering with power. We're here in round number 6. Inoue has a 91 to 53 connect advantage, but he has been floored for just the second time in his career.
Ano? Pangalawang beses pa lang ni Inoue natumba, no?
Tess, this is the first fight that I've seen of Inoue where his power is hasn't transitioned well, Tess, at 1 for 122.
I mean, shot that just landed there.
Look, he's hitting them with everything. And Cardenas already told Joel that he was like, hey, he don't have power. He's used to fighting bigger guys, Cardenas is. Inoue came in from the lower weight classes, but this is the first time me actually seeing a guy stand directly in front of him and say, I don't fear you.
Ano ka ng zombing sumasayaw-sayaw to si Cardenas, no?
First time me actually seeing a guy stand directly in front of him and say, I don't fear you.
Parang tumatagilid-tagilid na eh.
Referencing Joel Diaz, the veteran trainer of Ramon Cardenas, who of course, Timmy, was with you for so many years.
Absolutely.
Back to the body with that probing jab from the monster.
Uy, gago ka. Pak!
Catches him on the inside with a right hand underneath that attack to the body.
Ano, mukhang bawing-bawi si ano eh.
Keep in mind that Cardenas, this is first 12 rounder.
Yes, exactly. First world title fight in the career of Cardenas. And something that is critical. Exactly. First world title fight in the career of Cardenas. And something.
Putang ina, saan tinamaan yun?
Yes, exactly. First world title fight in the career of.
Gagi pa nga pare. Putang ina, tingnan mo, napakalupit ng kuha dito, no? Pwede itong pang cover photo mo, Inoue. Gusto bang send ko sa'yo? Pero maangas, sa pulsa pa nga.
Something that is critical.
He heard him with that. He heard him with that.
Gagi ka. Tang ina mo. Naramdaman mo yun. Ay na, napaka-timing nung post ko, no? Tangina na ito na Inoue, mukhang yung mga incheck na nandudura.
Bearing attack to the head, to the body, Cardenas.
Gagi pare, putangin na mukhang ipifinishing na to. Mukhang iba body bag na. Teka lang, putangin ang yan. Ano ba to? Gagi, handa mo na sarili mo pare, papaulanan ka na ng mga walking ina nito. Nakikita niyo ba tong taon to? Yung ano, ito. Ay, nakatawa na eh, no, malaki pusta nito sa tingin ko. Tingin nyo. Ay na, mukhang malaki pusta nito eh. Putang inang yan. Teka lang. Lagi, naka-smile na siya. Pera na. Tingin niya doon, pera na. Papak. Bago ka, yari ka. Bang, bang. Tangina mo, tumatawa ka pa. Pak, butang ina ka.
Can Cardenas survive this last minute of round 6?
Cardenas sitting on
Gagi, ang haba pa ng minuto. Tutumba kaya ito dito.
He's sitting on it. He's waiting. He's waiting. He's biting over and right
hook that did damage earlier, but in a way, unrelenting.
Putang ina, Gagi, meron pa rin ano yun, no? May lakas pa rin nakatago si Cardenas sa ano kahit hilo-hilo na.
Cardenas gives an angle, turns things
gago ka.
and he comes swinging out.
In a way, said he loves a war. He loves these type of fights.
Oh, what a great round we've got here. The heart and grit of Cardenas. The elite offensive attack of Inoue. Right hand.
Inoue's shots are cleaner, faster and heavier now. Inoue's combinations are surgical. Lead rights, body hooks, slips, resets, complete control.
Tama ka kaibigan. Ito na, pak, puking ina mo, babababang. Ito na, putang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, gagi ka na. Putang ina, balagbag. Gago. Putang ina. Uy, gagi, putang ina. Kung tinamaan ka nun, Inoue, putang ina, change career ka talaga. Ang ina, tingin ko, mas gugustuhin mo na lang mag-abang ng GTA 6. Ang ina, kung tinamaan ka nun, may kalalagyan ka dun. Pero ano to? Ano tong i-replay nila?
Through 6 rounds, it has been a thriller.
It absolutely has.
Mo, naglag.
Both guys made the second round right here. Oh
my
God.
Ayun, mga highlights yata to. Pero
landing that left hook. Beautiful. That's a signature left hook from Cardenas right there. Cardenas feels that, hey, I can take his punching power. No doubt. I can sit in front of this monster. However, as the rounds continue, as Cardenas continues to take these punches
yun yung ano eh, no, humilo dito kay Cardenas.
Over, whether they're landing cleanly or not, that takes a lot out of you. But you saw in that last round anyway, going for it. He understands now what Cardenas is trying to do. And now he's taking that away from him. Now what we gotta see is what Cardenas have planned.
Tingin ko putangin na kailangan dito patamahin ni Cardenas yung tumama sa ano eh, no? Doon sa kanina doon sa round 2. Kaso mo nag-iingat na rin to si Inoue. Ramdam niya na rin yung ano eh. Ramdam niya na rin siguro yung katanga niya nung una.
Moving forward. In that 6th round, now Inoue threw 90 punches, landed 48. But look at this. 33 of them were power punches in the last round. 33 power punches landed in the last round by Inoue.
Ano, 33 power punches landed.
You see Inoue keep pulling away from that left hook. He sees it. He has it down now.
Let's check in with Bernardo.
In the corner of Ramon Cardenas, they do not want Inoue having the momentum. They want Cardenas to go forward and attack and pressure because that's when he had success earlier on.
Absolutely. Now, I mean, look.
when you have a line like Inoue and he's pushing you back, he knows the end is near.
Lagi mukhang dinadaan na lang sa tawa ni Cardenas pero putang ina, ikaw ba naman tamaan ng suntok ng putang inang taong inuwing yan?
And he's going for it.
Pero tumatama pa rin naman siya, no?
Inoue getting caught right there, standing straight up. Oh, that was good. Kill shot right there, attempt from Inoue.
San Antonio base, Ramon Cardenas, giving everything he possibly can, but finding out there's leather.
Don't stop moving. He knows one pause could end it. Even hurt.
Ay gagi, eto na. Putang ina ko mapapa. Ang ingay kasi nitong putang inang to eh.
He's back. He's not just trying to survive. He's still trying to win. It's become mental now. Inoue isn't just attacking. He's calculating in real time.
To the side. The body shots have been effective, but then the right hands sneak in as well. Comes up and around with the left hook upstairs.
Gagi, tayo na.
All he needs is a little bit of separation, yet look at
Gago.
still standing.
Tangina, mukhang hilo-hilo rin si Inoue, no?
Find the kitchen.
Putang, kita nyo ba yung hook na yun? Tangina, kung ako kalaban yan, bahala ka dyan. Putang ina. Kita nyo ba yun? Ang inang Cardenas to.
Look at Cardenas still standing. Find the kitchen.
Look
at the fighting Cardenas.
Gagi, pumapalag pa. Ito na.
Don't you just love the heart? Right uppercut on the inside.
Ano yun?
Shoulder to shoulder.
4 right hands land. In a row, Cardenas absorbs them, still upright. That's willpower.
Ay, gago.
Inoue isn't chasing the knock.
Putang ina, nawawala yung init. Panay salita tong tarantadon to eh. Pero 4 na right straight yun, no? Kita nyo ba yun?
4 right hands land.
Alam ko.
In a row, Cardenas absorbs them,
1,
still
2,
upright.
3,
That's
4,
willpower.
gagi, hihilo. Pinagsusuntok sa left brain. Yung left brain ba sa ano ba yun? Sa pagiging artist. Tingin ko, wala, putang ina. Mahihirap. Putang ina, wala. Hilo yan for 3 days. Tingin ko, ganun suntok.
Inoue isn't chasing the knockout. He's breaking his opponent down piece by piece. This is the difference between talent and greatness.
Final seconds of round 7. Can he get to the
gago ka. Wala, gagi. Yari na yata to. Putang ina. Time mo, save by the bell mo ba? Para isang round pa. Ay, gagi, na save by the bell pa. Wala, putang ina, no? Napakaangas eh, no? 4 na straight. Putang ina. Mukhang kahit si Lito Lapid, kakabahan. Tang inang yun. Ang inang yun, nag-Japanese pa ito mga to. Skorage. Gago ikaw. Tingnan mo, putang ina, nagbabayulit na yung noo. Problemado na. One more fucking round.
Because I see that you're slowing down. I need you to show me that you can beat this fucking guy by walking him down. When you work him down, look, you heard him, yes.
Ang ina mo, nag-i-explain ka pa. Coach mo yan. Tang inang, tinuturuan ka na, mag-i-explain ka pa. Kaya.
That you can beat this fucking guy by walking him down. When you work him down, look, you heard him, yes.
Oh, putang ina mo. Ba't mo sasagutin yun?
Okay, but then you stop.
Inoue, the end is near. He knows it. He smells it. That's what lions do.
Ano, 2,
right here.
3,
He does it
4.
differently.
Putang ina mo. Pinagsususuntok yung utak mo.
Cardenas hit in the corner.
Putang ina.
Inoue making sure
Gago.
that he seals the
Putang ina. Wala. Hilo ka, kaibigan.
seals the deal, excuse me. With these combinations right here and trying to close this match.
Gagi, mukhang yari na to dito.
In the corner of Ramon Cardenas says, I'm giving you one more round. Cardenas said, why? He says, because you're slowing down. He's also taking immense punishment. 101 power punches absorbed through 7 rounds.
101 power punches absorbed. Putang ina, sino tumanggap? Si Cardenas? Tago ka pare. Tanginang yan. 101 power punches eh, no? Ay na, pag ako tinamaan yan, gagi, tangina, papakampi talaga ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Ay, gagi ka, di ka na.
Anyway, made the adjustments. See, that's a high boxing IQ. He got hit with that shot. Now he's very aware of it now, Tess. And Cardenas has yet to land that same shot again that he landed in the second round.
Putang ina mo, gago ka.
Inoue adjusted, evolved, and took control. The final bell rings, but no one in this arena questions the warrior spirit we've just witnessed.
Oo, gagi. Tangina, napakasulit eh, no? Medyo panira lang tong salita ng salitang nasa background eh, pero overall, gagi, wala, putang ina. Pero mapapansin nyo rin yung puso din talaga ni Cardenas na mahal niyo yung ginagalawan niyang kultura. Oh my goodness. Teka lang mga kaibigan, may tumatawag. Saglit lang mga pre. Teka lang So yun mga kaibigan, tanginang yan. Kung makikita nyo. Ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Ano nga ulit yun? Putang ina, ay gagi, oo. So kung mapapansin natin, napaka-solid din na fighter nito ni Cardenas. Mamaya i-search ko kung ilan ba yung ano nito, yung standing nito, ilan na ba yung laban nito. Pero gagi, napaka-solid niya. Kaso iba din yung puso niya, no? Parang tangina, pinaggugugulpi na yung utak mo. Buhay ka pa rin. Ito.
And took control.
Wow,
the final bell rings, but no one in this arena questions the warrior spirit we've just witnessed.
Tama ka, kaibigan.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the time. 45 seconds in round number 8. A referee stops the contest.
Oh, yeah, selfie pa.
He is the winner by way of technical knockout and still the undefeated, undisputed junior featherweight champion of the world, Naoya.
Tingin ko, putang ina, undefeated pala to si Naoya Inoue, no? Tingin ko, may pwede makatalo dito si ano siguro. Si Mot. Tingin nyo. Anyways, napaka-solid na bakbakan mula sa magkabilang panig. Shoutout sa iyo, Cardenas, napaka-solid mong tao. Shoutouts kay Inoue, napakagaling mo din, puking ina mo. Teka lang, tangina mo kung pwedeng pang reels yun eh, kaya chinecheck ko lang yung oras. So, yun, napaka-solid na bakbakan mula sa dalawang kumag. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ba kayo nagsusuntukan na pwede nyo naman pag-usapan yan. Pero wala, napaka-solid. Ayos yan. Pagpatuloy nyo mga kagagawan nyo. So, sa mga tropa nanood, maraming salamat hanggang umabot kayo sa uli. At sana nagustuhan nyo tong panibagong segment natin sa basehan ng bawat break it down. At kakat ko na to. Shoutout ulit sa mga tropa nating nasa taas, yung mga nag-i-slide na yan. At yun lang. Ingat kayo lagi. Good night.